If you want to shorten the duration of a CapCut video quickly and accurately, this guide will show you the easiest ways to do it without wasting time. Whether you want to trim a clip, remove a section in the middle, or make the whole video fit a specific length, CapCut gives you a few simple tools that make the process fast and beginner-friendly. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple editing guides. Let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut and go to the timeline at the bottom. To shorten a clip, the first thing you need to do is place your playhead exactly where you want the cut to happen. Just click on the timeline, and CapCut will move the vertical line to that position. This playhead is important because it tells CapCut where to trim or split your video. If you want to remove everything before the playhead, use the Trim Left shortcut, which is Q. Pressing Q instantly deletes everything from the beginning of the clip up to your playhead. This is a super fast way to cut off the front part of a video without manually dragging handles or making extra edits. If you want to remove everything after the playhead, use the Trim Right shortcut, which is W. Pressing W deletes everything from the playhead to the end of the clip. This is perfect when you only want to keep the first part of a video and shorten the rest in one click. One of the best things about CapCut is that it automatically uses ripple behavior, which means the remaining footage moves forward and closes the gap. You do not have to manually drag clips together after trimming. This keeps your timeline clean and helps you edit much faster. Now, if you need more precise control, zoom in on your timeline. You can press Ctrl and plus, or use the zoom slider above the timeline to expand the frames and make small adjustments more accurately. This is especially useful if you are trying to cut at a very exact moment. For frame-by-frame editing, use your left and right arrow keys to move the playhead one frame at a time. This is the best way to find the exact start and end point of the section you want to remove. When precision matters, this step makes a huge difference. If you want to remove only the middle part of a clip, use the split method. First, move the playhead to the beginning of the section you want gone, then press Ctrl and B to split the clip. Next, move to the end of that unwanted section and press Ctrl and B again to make another split. Now click the middle section and press Backspace or Delete to remove it. This is the cleanest way to cut out pauses, mistakes, dead space, or any part you do not want in the final video. If you want to shorten the entire clip to an exact length instead of just trimming parts out, CapCut also gives you speed controls. Click the video clip on your timeline, then go to the top right inspector panel and open the Speed tab. From there, choose Standard. You will see a duration box inside the Speed panel. This is where things get really useful. If your clip is currently 12.7 seconds long and you want it to become exactly 6.0 seconds, just type your target duration into that box and press Enter. CapCut will automatically speed up the clip to match the exact time you entered. This is one of the easiest ways to shorten a video when you need it to fit music, a reel, a short-form edit, or a strict time limit. If your clip has audio, make sure you pay attention to pitch. There is usually an option to change pitch, and if you want the audio to stay natural, turn that off. That way, when the clip is sped up, your voice or sound effects do not become unnaturally high-pitched. So, to quickly recap, if you want to shorten duration in CapCut, you can trim the start or end using Q and W, split out a middle section with Ctrl and B, or speed up the clip and enter an exact duration in the speed panel. Each method is useful depending on what kind of edit you are making. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and lets you find more CapCut tips, editing shortcuts, and beginner-friendly tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.